when the user changes the preferred city in the cities fragment, the on preferred city changed method of the cities change listener will be called, and as we saw in a preceding video, that's going to result in the setPreferred method being called. We take in the new city name string for the new preferred city. We go ahead and load up the corresponding zip code as well. And then at lines 172 through 177, we modify the preferred city's name and zip code in the shared preferences object. And remember, to modify shared preferences, you need a shared preferences editor first, which you get by calling edit on the shared preferences object. We then put in new values for the preferred city name key and the preferred city zip code key, and then we apply those changes to commit them to the shared preferences object, thus saving them out to the device for the future. We also set the last selected city to null, and we load the selected forecast. Now, loading a forecast is going to result in a web services call to the WeatherBug web services, and many web services have restrictions on the number or frequency of calls you can make to those web services. Now, because we changed the preferred city, if the user has also installed the widget on their home screen, we want the preferred city for the widget to be updated, and then we want the widget itself to display the appropriate weather information. Now, to handle all of that, the first thing we do is create an intent, which is for our widget update broadcast action. So we're now telling the widget that the preferred city has changed. And we don't execute that intent right away. Instead, we use the handler object to post a runnable in a delayed format, specifically broadcast delay milliseconds. 10,000 milliseconds is 10 seconds. And when that runnable executes, then we will send the broadcast for the update widget intent. And basically what that does is it prevents the app and the widget from both accessing the WeatherViewer web services at the same time, and that helps us avoid their restrictions on the number of requests you can make in a certain period of time.